So we all got to clean nature, okay? Okay. Go, Bacon? No, not this attitude, please. Okay, yay! Okay, time to clean nature. Hello, Bacon family. Hello. Here to clean nature. Yep, we are. Awesome. So God Bacon will clean a lot and us a bit. Why? Remember what you were doing? No, Dad, leave. Leave! Can you bring me a broom outside? No! What's this, Bob? Yep, that is right. Oh, go and do all this right now and I'll punch you. Is this a toy? That toy belongs to me. Thank you. Whoa! Look what I got!
Game over.
Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Stealing something, eh?